Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Friends, this video contains a very beautiful and trendy design patterns of hand embroidered dresses, hand embroidered shirts, formal wear hand embroidered kurti. All of the dresses are totally inspired by highly designer style handmade dresses. And guys, believe me, but just trying these one of the favorite pattern of yours, you will feel blessed to have all of these trendy patterns of hand embroidery. The color combinations are exquisite, the design is decent and elegant in itself, which gives decency to a way that the design look entirely highly paid designer style dress. So the beauty of these dresses is that they look formal, royal and elegant. You can design these dresses onto silk fabric to give them a more creative and elegant look. Guys, we try our best on daily basis to share trendy, amazing and beautiful ideas with you. So do try to stay tuned and keep subscribing, keep liking, keep commenting and keep supporting us like you always have been, so that we could grow up into a large and remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members. Guys, you can also subscribe from other devices as well. So stay tuned for the more upcoming creative content. Up till then, take care, but you don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end so that you could get all the amazing, beautiful and entertaining ideas. So thank you so much for watching once again. See you soon in my new videos.